Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. How are you guys doing out there? It's fall. Yes, it is. So I'm stepping into the kitchen today to prepare some simple banana bread, guys. I had a taste for something nutty and bread based, and I was like, what can I put together and share with my Facebook and YouTube family? So today I'm putting together this quick little loaf. It's not a pound cake, it's a loaf. It's just enough, okay? So I'm gonna make sure that I have everything listed for you guys in the content of the video, okay? So that way you'll know all the measurements. Okay, and as usual, our ingredients are at room temperature, guys. And I'll be sure to take pictures so you know exactly how this thing turns out for us, okay? All right, so once again, thank you for your support. Appreciate you as we go into this fall. Let's get started on this banana bread. All right. We're just gonna mix that in there. And just until it's combined. And it really helps when your things like this is at room temperature. Helps it combine really, really well. All right. Okay. All right. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and add in our flavorings. Okay, and that's pure vanilla. And it's just gonna be 1 teaspoon of that. And of course, my favorite, Superior. It's almost time to invest in another bottle. As you can tell, I use quite a bit of it, especially during this time of the year when baking really kicks off. Oh yeah, I'll be ordering some more. All right, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of banana. You don't have to use banana if you don't want to. And I choose to use the banana simply because I want the extra flavoring of the banana. Okay. All right. So now that we have that in there, we're going to go ahead and add in our 2 eggs. Again, at room temperature. All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, give that a little quick stir. Mix all of our extracts in there, and go ahead and mix those 2 eggs in there really, really well. All right, and it smells so good already. All right, I like the way that smells. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so next up, we got that in there. We're gonna go ahead and add in our stick of butter. All right. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna take our mixer here, hand mixer. I'm gonna mix that in, okay? All right. Right there. Really, really well. All right. And it smells so good already. All right. I like the way that smells. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so next up, we got that in there. We're gonna go ahead and add in our stick of butter. All right. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna take our mixer here, hand mixer. I'm gonna mix that in, okay? All right. Right there. So now we're at the point where we're going to be adding in our dry ingredients. Okay, and that's going to be our sugar here. Okay, and that's your 1 cup of sugar. It's not very sweet at all. Okay, all right. So then next up, we're going to go ahead and take our 2 cups of flour, which is mixed with our cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg and our salt and our baking soda. Now I'll make sure to put all those measurements exactly into the video for you guys as well. Okay, and this is that old-fashioned handheld. So we're going to go ahead and sift that right into there. Okay, so this is a close-up version here. I wanted you to see exactly what this looks like once we get it to this point, guys. Okay, everything's in here except the nuts. We're going to add the nuts in last. And I saved that part for last simply because I want to control how much nuts I use. Now my recipe calls for 1 cup, okay, of walnuts or pecans. So I combined half and half. So that's what I'm going to be putting in here, okay? I just wanted to share that with you so you get a chance to see exactly what that looks like combined. All right. Okay. We're going to mix this in here. Make sure it's combined really, really well. And then we're going to pour this into our prepared loaf pan, guys. Just folding those nuts in there. That's basically what we're doing. We're not mixing, we're just folding. Okay? Just folding and folding and folding. Alright, so stay tuned and we'll come back and I'll show you exactly what that looks like when we pour it into our prepared pan. Alright, as promised, I'm stepping back on so you can see exactly what this looks like as we pour it into our prepared baking dish here. Okay. I did spray this with Baker's Joy. So we're going to see how this works, because this is a new pan. So I'm interested in see if it's going to stick or not. We will find out. Yes, we will. Okay. All right. Put all of that in there. All right, kind of spread it out a little bit there. Okay, make sure we get it in the corners. All right. Okay. Just gonna score it a little bit. Okay. So now we're gonna pop this in the oven okay, at 350, and it's gonna bake for about an hour, like 50 to 55, 60 minutes, guys. And then I'll check it at that 50 mark. And if it need a little more time, then, you know, I'll make sure to notate in there exactly how much more added time, okay, for you guys, all right? So stay tuned as we put this in the oven, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back, and our bread, banana bread, is out of the oven. This is what it looks like. I wanted to make sure you get a good close-up shot. Exactly what this looks like, guys. It smells heavenly. Truly, truly does. All right, and I had some extra left over, believe it or not. Sure did. You know what I did? It's right here. Took it and put it in my little muffin pan and made some extra banana muffin bread. Topped it with some nuts and put it in the oven, guys. That's what you do when you have extra stuff left over, right? Okay, so now we're gonna cut this little cake right here, or should I say loaf, and see what it looks like inside. All right, it's still a little warm to the touch, but it's okay. I think it'll be all right. We're gonna cut straight down in here. Like I said, this is a new pan, and I use Baker's Joy. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Close-up shot there, guys. Yes, yes, yes. All right. I'll lay it here. And you know me, I'm always coming up with something a little different, as usual. And I put together this frosting. Okay, and I'll make sure I put that in the content of the video for you all too. So that way you'll know exactly how I made this little frosting here for this banana bread. And I took some bananas and cut it up, and I'm going to drizzle some of this frosting right across the top of this, so you can see exactly what this looks like. Okay, right across the top here. I tell you, it smells so good. It really, really does. Yes, it does. Absolutely, guys. All right. That looks good to me. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, and you topped it with your bananas there. It's test time now. It's very, very soft. Very soft. And then the sauce is added to it, and a touch of the banana. Perfect. This is really, really good. Mm-hmm. I tell you, this is absolutely delicious. And I guarantee you, you will enjoy it if you decide to make this. Yes, yes, yes. And that little frosting that I made and put on there, that topped it off. It really did. This is delicious, guys. Mm-hmm. All right. So that's it. And thank you for joining me here on the channel as we made this delicious banana bread. I guarantee you will enjoy every bite. Be sure to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. All right? Appreciate you. Y'all go out and have a great one. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Okay.